and welcome to Gravity Forms Basics. Now, in a previous video, we built a basic contact form. Today, we're going to turn this basic contact form into a more advanced contact form. Now, we already have all of the fields here that made up the basic contact form: the section field, name, email, phone, and additional information. Now, what we need to do is to add more fields with a bit more fiddling with the field settings. We can start with an address field. There we go. Then let's just place that under the email field. Now we can click required for that one. Then we can change the address fields here as needed. Okay, after that one, we can add a few more fields. Let's go with something like a drop down. All right, there we go. We can place that under additional information. And then for this one, we can click required again. We can change the field label into something like reason for contact. And then we can go to edit choices, which is right here, to change the choices under the drop down field. You can go with consultation for the second field, for the second choice rather, sorry for the label. We can go with something like in person meeting. And for the third choice, we can do something like rescheduling. But really, this can be up to you, and you can add a few more of them if you prefer. All right. Should be done with that one. Let's add another field. This time, let's go with radian buttons. Let's place that under the drop-down field. Let's change the label to something like priority. Let's change the choices again. Something like urgent, not urgent, emergency. Doesn't really make much sense when it goes to the priority order, but you know what? This is just you can change that as you will. And then obviously we're also gonna tick a required box under the rules. Right, there we go. Now you have an advanced contact form. All you need to do is save the form and you're good to go. Be sure to hit like and subscribe for more content about all things Gravity Forms.